Hello children, good morning. Let us start our EVS class. Today we will do revision on birds. 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 Children, can you tell me which bird is this? Good. Sparrow. What is the spelling of sparrow? SPARROW. Sparrow. Next, which bird is this? Yes, crow. What is the spelling of crow? CROW. Crow. Next, which bird is this? Good. Parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? PARROT. Parrot. Next, which bird is this? Yes, pigeon. What is the spelling of pigeon? PIGEON. Pigeon. Next, which bird is this? Good. Eagle. What is the spelling of eagle? EAGLE. Eagle. Next, which bird is this? Good. Owl. What is the spelling of owl? OWL. Owl. Children, which bird is this? Good. Peacock. What is the spelling of peacock? PEACOCK. Peacock. Now we will see some questions. All of you read the first question. Which is the singing bird? Can you tell me? Good. Cuckoo is the singing bird. Next question. Which bird has red beak? Which bird has red beak? Can you tell me? Good. Parrot has red beak. Next, which is our national bird? Can you tell me? Which is our national bird? Good. Peacock is our national bird. Next, which is the largest bird? Which is the largest bird? What you will write? Good. Ostrich is the largest bird. Children, complete this in your EVS copy.